This time on the Robbie and Dad Show, we accelerate the Tesla to 100 kilometers. For our American friends, that's 0 to 60 miles an hour.
That's so much fun.
Yeah.
When it turns green,
It sees the person.
She's the person too.
She's everything. Whenever the light turns green, it goes ding.
Hang on, Joe.
Hang on.
Oh! Oh. Oh, yeah.
Hang on. You better have your seatbelt, Robbie.
Oh,
I've got my seatbelt on.
oh
Oh my God! Are we? Holy! We just went up to 110.
That was 0 to 60.
Oh my God! This is a rocket ship.
Sick, eh?
My head snapped.
Clean and simple it is inside, right?
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God!
It's so nice.
Little, Luke,
Christ, it's been so long I can't remember.
you ready for one?
No. Oh, here we go. Holy shit.
Oh!
Oh, my gosh.
That was like,
That's unbelievable.
every time I do that, I feel like I'm in a rocket. Isn't that incredible?
Oh, yeah. Well, thanks for the phone.
Yeah, I thought I'd give you a warning. Regarde ça, Yvan.
Oh,
Oh my God!
hey, ça va vite.
Oh.
Je te dis, c'est du pick-up, ça.
Oh.
Oh, tabarnak.
Ça me fait vomir, ça, Yvan.
Ah.
Ça me fait vomir,
Ouais,
ça.
oui, hey.
Puis j'ai arrêté un peu, hein?
Oui, oui, ben oui.
Oh oui.
Faut-tu voir?
Why are you turning there?
Oh, hold on.
What's going on?
What? Just wanted to test something.
No, I'm gonna throw up. I have a fever.
Oh!
Okay, I have to throw up now. Get me out.
Really? You have to throw up? Oh, me too, a little bit. What'd you think of that?
I don't feel well. I feel like throwing up.
Really?
Yeah, because I have a fever.
You know, I have a theory. If I keep doing that a bit, you won't be sick on airplanes. What do you think, babe? Is that true? Do you want me to pull over a bit? No?
Oh no, Pierre, stop it, hey? No, that's enough.
Yeah, you know one thing I didn't show you?
Yeah.
Is how fast it goes. You think it goes fast?
I don't know. You. Oh boy. Oh my God. Oh no, don't. Oh no, I'm so scared. No, I'm so scared. Yeah, it's too.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's too much.
that was too much, eh?
I get scared.
Oh, good.
If,
I'd love to get people's reaction on this. 0 to 60 in 4.8.
Okay.
You ready for this?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Was that sick or what? Incredible, eh?
Okay. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Whoa! Oh my God. What the
Oh my God. That's it for now from the Robbie and Dad Show.
He's Robbie.
And he's Dad. If you like our Tesla videos, check out our Tesla playlist. If you like our channel, please consider subscribing or at least leaving a like. It really helps us out.